This video is all about one of that major health issue females are facing today is polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS). What is it? So let's know in this video. So PCOS is manifested by amenorrhea, absence of menses, hirsutism, a condition where there is excess of androgen production leading to unwanted male pattern hair on females' face, chest and back, obesity and most importantly enlarged polycystic ovaries. The major cause for PCOS is androgen production in excess by the ovaries. Androgen is an hormone which plays the major role in males in reproductive activity. The major cause is dysregulation of cytochrome P11A gene. This gene encodes a member of cytochrome P450 superfamily of enzymes. The cytochrome P450 proteins are monooxygenases which catalyze many reactions involved in drug metabolism, synthesis of steroids, cholesterols and other lipids. Diagnosis is based upon the presence of any of the two following three criteria, that is oligo or anovulation, hypoandrogenism, polycystic ovaries, along with any other dysfunctions like thyroid dysfunction, hyperprolactinemia, congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. This itself suggests that there is some trouble in the ovaries. In this condition, ovaries get enlarged with the follicular cysts, which are about 2 to 9 millimeters in diameter, and the ovarian volume is also increased with the thickening of the capsule. So there are two perspectives to understand the pathophysiology of PCOS. The very first one is LH and FSH ratio. Another one is insulin resistance. Here, cells within the body fails to respond to insulin hormone to take glucose for use of energy. So in turn, as there is no utilization of glucose in form of energy, there is storage of excess of glucose, which leads to weight gain. On the other hand, excess insulin leads ovaries for production of androgen, leading to anovulation, which is the major cause for amenorrhea. The second perspective is luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone ratio. The main reason for infertility is the very low value of FSH. FSH is responsible for ovulation and very high value of luteinizing hormone, that is, which produces androgen substrates like testosterone and estrogen. Clinical features of PCOS: acne, unwanted facial hair, menstrual irregularities, obesity, along with infertility are some of the features of PCOS. Acanthosis nigricans and hirsutism are also two main features of PCOS. And the major threat for childbearing women with PCOS condition is infertility. So to get diagnosed as PCOS, there are few investigations which have to be done. Sonography. Transvaginal sonography is very helpful in detecting the polycystic ovarian syndrome, mostly in the obese women. The other tests include insulin resistant tests and serum levels, whereas the luteinizing hormone is elevated in serum level test. So there are a few myths and facts which we women must know. It is said that PCOS is a very rare condition, but about 40% of the women with childbearing age are suffering with it. PCOS is one of the major causes for infertility, but with proper diet, exercise and medications, women with PCOS can also conceive. PCOS cannot be treated is a very false statement. With lifestyle modifications, loss of weight and medications, PCOS is not a dangerous disease. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and follow us on Instagram Neophyte.